Hey Tutterbud fam, welcome back to our grammar series. Today we are going to discuss the present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is a verb tense that describes an action that happened at an unspecified time in the past or that began in the past and continues into the present. In simple terms, the present perfect tense shows an action that has just been completed. Let's look at the structure of the present perfect tense. To form the present perfect tense, you need to use the subject plus the auxiliary verb have or has, followed by the past participle of the main verb. Let's look at some examples. I have eaten breakfast. This sentence means that at some point in the past, the speaker ate breakfast, but it doesn't say when. She has lived in New York for 5 years. This sentence signifies that the person has been living in New York for 5 years and is still living there presently. They have visited Paris twice. This sentence conveys that the group has traveled to Paris on 2 separate occasions in the past, but it doesn't specify when. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of the present perfect tense and how to use it correctly. Don't forget to practice using it in your writing and conversations. We'll be discussing the present perfect continuous tense in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.